Hello everyone! I'm here to share a page from Retrospection 365. So as I said earlier, Retrospection 365 is a marriage between mini albums, what we love about mini albums, and scrapbook layouts. All right, so as you can see here, I have a tradition. This is a 12 by 12 page. All of the pages in Retrospection 365 are 12 by 12, and the cover accommodates that as well. This is a handmade book from start to finish. I showed you all what the core kit was in a previous video, so you know what the base pages are made of. So a simple scrapbook layout, as you can see right here. With a scrapbook layout, what you see is what you get. You traditionally attach your pages, attach your pictures to your page, and that's it. That's all you get. With Retrospection, you get an interactive layout. Everything here opens, and let me show you that. So this opens like so. You have yet another opportunity for a photograph, another one here. This opens up again, two more photographs. That closes just like so and pulls down. You have a pocket here, and I left this like this so you can see that there is a magnet. That everything is held down with magnets, and it just keeps everything nice and tidy. So it gives you that appearance of a layout. All right, yet another opportunity for a photograph, another one here. Journaling. You can journal on this entire page here, and you don't have to worry about losing all of this because you want that layered look in a scrapbooking layout is what we all go for. So in this case, I made all of the layers interactive. So this opens up again over here, and then for all of the photographs that we can't fit onto our one 12 by 12 layout, and we're like, well, I don't want to make 15 layouts for all of the pictures in this event. Look at where you get to store them right here, guys. And if it's a double page layout, you get more storage. You've got all of this storage here for extra pictures, and I just got 2 photo mats in there, but you can easily fit more than that. And there it is, guys. This is what Retrospection is all about. It's creating interactive elements in a 12 by 12 layout without just having pockets and photographs, still maintaining that artistic look, that layered look that we love about 12 by 12 layouts. You get it right here with Retrospection 365. That's the name of the project. With this class, you get, I think it's 20 different layouts that all do something like this. All right, this is a single page layout. Let me show you what a double page layout does. All right, so that flips open from a mini album, right? You get that from a mini album where you can have the flips and the flaps. So let me zoom out here just for a moment so you can see the full spread. All right, so here is the full layout, and this is really beautiful. This is what you typically get with a 12 by 12 layout. But once again, what you see is what you get. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you choose to do a photograph here, 6, 7, 8 opportunities for a photograph, title or journaling, however you want to configure this, but not with the Retrospection 365 configuration. Everything is interactive, guys. So this opens up for another 1, 2, 3 photographs. Again, another opportunity over here. And then over here for all of the extra photographs that you necessarily do not want to put as your focal point pictures, but you're not going to throw them away, right? So there you go. Then you get another blank area here for some more scrapbooking. All right, and that closes up like so, and the same thing you get on the other side. Again, you get your pocket with the opportunities for your photographs and a nice blank page here for some more scrapbooking opportunities. So, and this is what it is, guys. This is Retrospection. And of course, it's not going to end there with the layouts because I said it was a marriage, right, between the two. So we can't have more of one side than the other. So of course, I had to give you what we find in a traditional mini album, which are the pockets. This is one of the things that I'm really most of my mini albums have this sort of structure where you have the organizational type pockets. So beautiful pocket opportunities for pockets. And I broke these up, guys. And I want you to know that if you haven't made one of my pockets, you want to consider taking one of my classes, because I have a technique where you can layer your pockets over and over and over, and you just have one layer, not 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, stacking up on top of the other. So you still get the interaction like a regular mini album. Here you get another flap. This is a pocket. And then another opportunity for a photograph. Then you have the 2 giant tags and pockets for your tags. All right. And this page is what I call my split page. I did this page, I think, last year. So this is also interactive for, you can fit easily 6 photographs right here. All right, so my split page, I've featured it again in the interactive page, again for Retrospection 365. And there's a back to this, guys. There's a back to this. There is a more, and this is just one page. So consider this album, guys, when you're thinking about those heritage pictures. How beautiful will this album be for a generations project? Absolutely gorgeous. You don't have to necessarily pick and choose which pictures you're going to use. You can use them all. You can use them all. This album has 10 pages. All right, this is a page right here, and the back does more. All right, and I'll just show you very quickly. It's just blank. So another layout opportunity here, or you can do the organizational pockets. This opens up again, and you've got a giant pocket here. You can do layout or organizational pockets. All of the pockets go match back to one another to each page, so you don't have to worry about having 50 million thousand measurements to get the project done. So everything works back. Then again, for all of those leftover pictures, I created this little flip book here, which is super fab, and you get yet another opportunity for photographs. All right, so really fabulous for both front and back, of course. And it's perfectly sized. You see the spacing here? That is there. So when you actually add photographs, you can still fold it and it still functions. Not that it's not going to function for you just because you added photographs. All right, so Retrospection 365, guys. Here's a little peek of what it's all about. Again, think about the heritage albums, just generations gone by. The interactive layout, all right? This is most definitely bringing scrapbooking to current, all right? It's bringing it current. I think a lot of you are going to start scrapbooking like this because it's maximizing yet again the size of the 12 by 12 layout. So you're going to be able to get a lot more pictures in this. You can also use your pocket scrapbooking cards in this type of project. We all love these pocket scrapbooking cards. And you can incorporate them into this project. As you can see, I've done it here and in several of the other pages. So think about what your needs are, how many pictures you have, what types of gifts you want to give. But a baby book, guys, a school book, and a heritage album in the Retrospection 365 format is going to be just priceless. Truly, truly priceless. So I hope you enjoyed this sneaky peek, and I will be showing you all some more. Until next time, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon.